Often, the hardest part of learning something new is unlearning the way you've always done it. There's research behind this. Neuroscientists talk about how, once we become experts, our brains form neural shortcuts. These are automatic patterns that help us solve problems without thinking. That's why experienced process engineers can walk into a melt shop, glance at a set of readings, and know exactly what's happening. But those shortcuts also make it harder to adopt new tools or workflows. Studies show unlearning an old habit takes more time and effort than learning something brand new, because you're not just building a new mental model, you're dismantling an old one. And in steelmaking, those old ways aren't wrong. They're built on decades of practical experience. So when engineers hesitate to switch from a legacy system, it's not resistance to innovation. It's a natural reaction to the mental cost of change. That's part of why so many plants stick with tools they've outgrown. The risk of slowing down production, even temporarily, feels bigger than the promise of a better system. At Fero Labs, we've seen this firsthand. That's why we designed our software to feel like an extension of engineers' expertise, not a replacement of it. We're not asking people to throw away decades of knowledge. Instead, we're building on it. Our AI learns from your historical data, your workflows, and your plant's unique processes, so it works with the way you already think. The goal isn't just to change systems, it's to create tools that are better, faster, and easier to use. Tools that simplify decision-making, not add complexity. When technology fits the way process engineers already solve problems and makes that process easier, that's when change stops feeling like a threat and starts feeling like an upgrade.